Today's update on the bike. So I've been finishing the welding off on the rear subframe. I've tidied that welding up there. I've been making a mount to get the seat unit mounted. So the seat unit's over there on the floor. I've cut this piece of alloy out. I've welded like a bit of box section on there. I'm going to weld a couple more bits on, and the idea is that's going to be riveted to the seat unit, obviously that way, and then it will slide on the bike like that, and it'll bolt through these holes in the side. So still a bit more to finish on that subframe. It needs to come off, a bit more welding to be done. It is time consuming. Got the steering damper fitted, so that's all fitted. I needed to fit that to see, to check the movement on it. I've had to make a new clock mount, so this is a new mounting bracket that I've made for the clocks. That needs a bit more work doing to it. It's so light. The other one, it was just a steel thing that someone had chucked together, and it was just really heavy and it was quite ugly, to be honest. So I still have a battery box to make for the lithium battery, so it's got a nice light lithium battery for it. That'll save some weight. So yeah, quite a lot done today. I've still got shitloads to do. I'm working every day. I haven't had a day off in God knows how long. I've just popped a can. It's gone 9 o'clock. I think I deserve a can. So I'm having this can. I'm going to pack up and I'm going to call it a day. But before I call it a day, I've just put that seat unit on there so you can see what it looks like, or it's going to look like when it's all built up. Gives you an idea of what the back end of these bikes look like. So, pretty smart. And they do sit higher there, that's just how they are. So yeah, hopefully I'll get it painted over Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm aiming to have the bike ready for Wednesday night, but we'll see how it goes. So again, this bike's going to be getting raced at Scarborough. Anyone that's interested, get yourself there, come and watch the bike race. Anyone that's interested in bikes, you should be there at Scarborough this weekend. It's going to be a fantastic weekend. Barry Sheen Festival, there's loads going to be on there, loads of bikes, race bikes, there's loads of racing. Parades, you can pay, I think it's 30 quid, and do 3 laps of the Oliver's Mount race circuit yourself on your own bike, if you take all the right protective clothing. Anyway, that's me. I'm going to get packed up now. Every day is like Groundhog Day. Every day is like one long day. I am just basically getting up, grafting on with this bike, having my food in between, and then going to bed, and then getting up and doing it again. Eat, sleep, work, whatever, repeat, whatever. I don't know. I'm not knackered. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm going to get off, get packed up, get off, and I'll be back with another update shortly. Thanks for watching.